Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to give your product some motion? I'll show you cool animation tricks in Canva. Click Create, then select Presentation from the menu. We will use Presentation for this tutorial. Go to Elements and search for products. Look for graphic photos related to milk or butter to use in your project. Search for photos by selecting the desired element on the screen to begin your query. Use this element, remove the background, and place it here. Resize the existing element to make it bigger. Then, add a new one here by clicking the plus icon or selecting the Add option in the toolbar. Adjust positioning as needed. Select Animation, choose Tumble, then set the option to Baseline. Set the direction and adjust the other elements here. Add text to your project. Change the font style as desired. You can also adjust the text color to match your design. Add an outline, then click to add another page if needed. Duplicate the page, then add a transition and a chain move to the new copy. You can switch the positions right here. Just click and drag the item to rearrange its order. Release it in the desired spot to set the new position. This allows you to customize the layout quickly and easily. Use this method whenever you want to change the sequence without deleting or recreating items. It's a simple way to keep your workspace organized according to your preferences. Try dragging different elements to find the best arrangement for your needs. To add matching mode, click it, then play to watch the preview. That's how to add an animation or product in Canva. You can also add a background to enhance your design. Add a black background, then play the animation again to see the effect. Click Share, then Download. Choose to save as PowerPoint or MP4 video. Before downloading, make sure to increase the quality for the best result. Now you know how to animate products in Canva and subscribe for more quick design tips.